Hello everyone. Am I audible? Show your thumbs up if you all can hear me. Thumbs up with a great and buddy wali smile. Without this, we never start our work because we believe that when you will be happy, your work will be happy, right? And with a joyful smile, we will learn today's very special creative art, which will be made with leaves. Okay, so chalo, without delay, let's get started. First, I will show that what kind of material you can use. If you don't have leaves available, although leaves you can use dry leaves, you can use fresh leaves, any kind of leaves you can use. But still, if you don't have, then you can use tissue paper or normal paper also at place of leaves. So chalo, let's get started. So here, this is material. Okay. So here you will be able to see that what material is needed, and I will give you full view so that very nicely everything will be visible. So now see, I prefer. Yes, so here you can see we have dry leaves available. I will show one after another. This is bouquet. Normally we get this kind of bouquets, and what we do, we simply throw them off. But if you will you will wrap it nicely in a thick layer of newspaper and keep it beneath your mattress, you will find this kind of dry bouquet arrangement ready for next time. है ना तो you can use bouquets, reuse bouquets this ways. है ना, you can simply use it as flower pot or making a 3D card. Can you see how beautiful the flowers and everything is looking, and the ones like the memories and beautiful gift of your beloved one will be saved. Okay, then these are leaves, these are dry leaves. So you can see, when your plant shed leaves, and when it is yellow, now see, this is fresh leaf. Can you see the beautiful yellow color? So when you will put it, it will be dry. So I have this kind of flowers. Many time I keep this kind of tip of the branch also, because for making greeting cards, it act like a magic. Or you can use fresh leaves also, like fresh leaves. These all are fresh leaves. If many of you would not be having dry leaves, so use them. And after that, put newspaper and keep it beneath mattress, and they will be getting dry like this. So anything could be used if you don't have this. Hello. हाँ हाँ. Okay, so this kind of fresh leaves can also be used. So, yes, we will keep everything properly. And now we are going to learn a beautiful angel. Angel with a book like in which Christmas songs are there, Christmas carols are there. And we will be making the gown of this angel with all these leaves. Okay, so I'm having dry, so we can use dry. You can use flowers also. Like, suppose you have lots of flowers in your garden, you can put flower petals on it and you can grow, like if you have multiple hibiscus flowers in your garden, or another kind of garden, or multiple different kind of flowers, you can use them also. Even puja flowers, like marigold flowers, गेंदे के फूल हम हमेशा भगवान जी को चढ़ाते हैं. क्या आप मुझे सुन पा रहे हैं? एम आई क्लियरली ऑडिबल? यस. तो गेंदे के फूल हम भगवान जी को चढ़ाते हैं, गुलाब के फूल चढ़ाते हैं. अगर आप उसको भी न्यूज़पेपर के अंदर सुखा के रख लें, है ना, इफ यू ड्राई देम ऑल्सो, तो यू कैन यूज देम ऑल्सो फॉर मेकिंग दिस काइंड ऑफ ब्यूटिफुल थिंग्स. तो चलो, विदाउट डिले, लेट्स गेट स्टार्ट. Okay, and this kind of wedding cards, normally we throw them off, but this kind of wedding cards are also of great use, so you should not throw them off. So chalo, now without delay, let's get started. So this is a file, A3 size paper. And A3 size paper we will use. So we will be having bigger space for making our work. And we will start with the drawing. Come on. This is mom's Bengal. You can see pencil eraser initially. And we will use our paper vertically. So come on, turn your file and keep your paper vertically. Right now, I'm giving you full view so that you can see the full view of the file. Okay? So the very first thing we will draw, keep your Fevicol ready if your leaf is very big. Right? Can you show what kind of leaves you have? Yes, show me one or two leaves. Okay, so many because we are going to make a beautiful layered gown, a big layer of gown. So you can use that, huh? And if you don't have, then you can cut tissue paper, okay, and you can use that also. But arranging leaves is easy. So yes, and if your leaf is very big, you can cut it in small pieces with help of your scissors. Suppose you have monstera or a very big leaf of money plant. So you can either use that one leaf only for making complete gown or you can cut it off. Okay. So chalo, let's get started with. Okay, so now we will start with the work. And first thing which we will be using is mom's bangle. If you don't have this mom's bangle, you can take any object. It could be a cap of container or anything else. And four fingers should be the diameter. If you will keep your four fingers, the four fingers should come here to here. If you will start the artwork with a small tiny circle, so your drawing, the whole drawing will look very small. Okay, so this is the way we will need a circle. And first, you mark your center. If your center is slightly upper or lower side, it's okay. As we're going to get started with our drawing part, let's understand nicely that what kind of pencil. So there is no specific pencil needed. This ordinary pencil which you use for writing is, you will use the same for making drawing, okay? And here upper side, you will keep it, okay, almost in the center and you will draw a circle carefully. Come on, do this much. I'll take a pause of uh, 2 minutes so that you all could do this. Okay, can I check the work? Please lift the files and show. Shabash, very good, perfect. Now what you will do, you will take your four fingers with distance and you will draw, yes, four fingers we will take from here and four fingers and you will mark a line. Okay, you will make this line 3 fingers big. You can make it 3 fingers big and you will be making it this ways. And you will mark a point, and very softly. Don't use scale for this, okay? You will be making a line this ways. So how much big? This is four fingers. This is 3 fingers. Three. So you will take measurement with fingers. We don't want this part quite broad. And this way is a kind of triangular kind of, not exactly triangle, but two diagonal lines and this. We are going to keep the figure of this angel very simple. And then we will start with our pasting work and use a thick paper. Can you see my paper? It is 270 GSM, so thick. है ना? You can try this on waist wedding cards also. Suppose this wedding card, है ना? On this you want to make your angel, है ना? This complete face will be hidden because wings will come, everything will be colored, and leaves will be overlapped. So this kind of cardboard paper can also be used for making it. So we are using A3 size paper. My paper size is A3, okay? After this, we want to make a kind of fairy kind of structure, okay? So after this, you will be making open. You know, we can even make frock also, but yes, I want to make a gown. So you will simply make a gown. It's looking like a gentle triangular shape, and you will show it this much big. I will give you the measurement as well. 4, 4, 8, 4, 3s are 12. Yes, we kept it 3 times of this. 12 fingers big because we want to show gown very big. And it's touching the ground, and that's why we will not show the feet. Okay? Yes, and yes, every drawing is having a story behind, and each artwork is having a story behind. Even this artwork is having a lovely story. Okay? Yes, so this is Christmas special artwork and angels again. And Christmas card, like many times on very special occasion of Christmas, schools they conduct different kind of competitions, star making, card making. So this artwork could be used for making Christmas card also. And now we want to show that this Christmas angel, this Christmas fairy is having. You can do one thing. This line, na, make just make it one line only. Like yeah, just make it in the way that this is one line with 3 fingers here. Now we want to make a book in hands. We will be showing a book. So we will cut a piece of paper afterwards, and that will be arranged this way, 3D look. So it will look as if she is reading a book. So this we will arrange afterwards. This piece of paper we will cut afterwards. How much big, I will tell you that also. So what we will do, we will simply keep it this way with small, this kind of line. This much big lines are enough because after that a book will come. The complete space will be covered up this way. Okay. So our book will come on which we can write Happy Christmas, Merry Christmas. What is going to be the size of it? I will tell you. For this, we will cut again another paper. So what will happen? It will add a 3D look to your artwork. And with few simple things, beautiful 3D look will be created. So yes, this is the way we will complete, and let's complete face first. Yes, I'll wait for after this so that you all could finish this. These lines will go simply diagonal because on this, like leaves will come. And our leaves will come on it because we want to make gown now. I will simply keep, yeah. So, yeah, yes. So this is the way we are going to make. है ना? So, chalo, come on, draw this. We will make beautiful hairstyle, lovely wings, and our drawing will be ready. Okay? And this is going to be our first step. No use of pencil color, no use of sketch pen, no use of brush pen for making drawing. And for drawing, keep your pencil blunt so the unwanted lines could be erased easily. Okay? So don't sharpen your pencil for drawing class. And now what we will do, we will start with the. So here we will make wings, and we are going to keep wings very simple. But before this, I want to check the work. Will you please lift up files and show me how it is done? So this is a story of a girl. The name of this girl in our story is Angelina. Okay, Angelina. and very poor, like she was living in a basti, with mom and dad. And here in our story, very poor she is. Very good. Shabash. Perfect. Okay. Fevicol and everything, keep ready. Okay. After this, we will be making lovely feathers. But before this, you will make hair. So mark a point here. Go for C, C, C. From here, the diagonal line. Okay, let's make beautiful hair. You can make ears. So what I did, see, and you will see my complete drawing is going to be. And here I want to show she's singing. So we will keep our mouth open. Oh, wonderful love. Sing. Oh, so your mouth will be round like this. Oh, wonderful love. God's love. It's so wonderful. God's love. It's so wonderful. God's love. It's so wonderful. Oh, wonderful love. So this kind of song it is singing. So first let's complete ears. Again, see, you're going to see this complete face is going to be beautiful combination of C. We will be using letter C, okay? So try to make both ears of equal size, one big and one small. Don't do that ways. And here, like here, make a line. And here also make a line. You can make this line little curved and try to make it of equal size. Come on. Okay. Try to keep it equal size. Slightly curved it is. And this point we have, mark a point upper side. Acha, after your class, you are going to have one beautiful session from one more person of ours for mom. So moms, you please stay tuned because after my session, we are going to have amazing session for you. Like while looking after the responsibility of home and everything, somewhere from within, we feel empty. And sometimes the question come, am I really like something is there which is making you feeling empty and you don't have anyone to share or don't know nobody who can understand this actually. So, today about that we will talk, and so many questions of yours would be answered. So, moms, please stay tuned. After my session, we are going to have that very special guest of ours, who will be giving counseling, who is expert, a PhD in this particular field, and we will love to invite them for moms specially. So, moms, please stay tuned. Don't go away after this class, okay? Now, what you will do, mark a point near ear, near ear. Okay, I think little closer view will help you giving better work. So here you can see I try to use the whole available space. Now we try to use the whole available space nicely. It should never be like your drawing should be small, somewhere in corner. I think now it will be better. And a little bigger view you will get. Now what you will do from here, you will go for with this kind of curve. And from here, you will go round, connect. From here, you will go, come to this line. And this line will get connected here. So this kind of beautiful hairstyle we will show. And we are going to keep hair golden. Okay. Then only this angel will look like angel, right? So we will go with a line and this kind of structure. So see, we made a basic structure first. We didn't started with the main artwork. So this should be your way of making. The beautiful angel, you can even show frog, but we are making a complete gown. And from here, the wings, we will complete wings also. For wings also, we will keep our lines very simple because for small kids, like if the drawing would be simple, they will be able to focus more on quality and they will be able to do it themselves even in school. Okay, so here if you feel that you don't want to show mouth open, you simply want to show a smile, you can show that also. But first, take eraser. Come on, pick up your eraser. Do you want me to wait for you? Show your thumbs up, thumb down, those who want me to wait. Okay, there are many. ठीक है. I'm taking a pause of 2 minutes. ठीक है? Finish. 2 minutes pause I will take. You all finish by that time, and then we will return back. So what happened in my story? This Angelina was living with mom and dad. And mom was working in a factory. Papa was selling something on footpath on roadside. So the life was having always like crisis of finance. And Angelina always used to feel that do really fairies exist? If they really exist, I really want to have a new frock this time. Like mama was working in factory, and many times like she was going um, late like evening time she was going in home after returning back from factory to work and clean utensils at her home. So many times she was taking Angelina also along with her. So there she was able to see like home is so beautiful, and the girl who was living there Anna always was wearing lovely dresses. And when this time when she went with mama and looked, that parents of that girl gifted a beautiful frock, a beautiful fairy kind frock to this girl. So this Angelina also started having a wish. I should also have this kind of frock. Every time, like every festival, she was wearing clothes which were given and donated by that girl, rich girl. She wanted to have her own frock, which is brand new. है ना? अच्छा, these both the girls. So the name of other girl, let's keep the name Anju. Anju and Angelina. ठीक है? Can I check the work? Will you please lift up files and show? Shabash. And no use of sketch pen, brush pen, or pencil color. You will use pencil. Now take your eraser. Pick up your eraser and erase upper circle. The circle which is looking upper side, erase it nicely. Complete lines upper side on ear you will erase. And the only thing left will be this. And how to make golden hair, what colors you will mix, that we will learn while coloring, okay? So you will see this complete face is going to be combination of C three times, C for making ears, C for making upper hairstyle, C this side, C here, and C here. Looking down and reading book. We are going to place a book afterwards. And I will show you the cutting. This kind of book we will be showing. And she's holding this book. So here we will be showing this book. So that's why she's looking down. We want to show she's looking down. So you will simply, you can come little more down. And you can show eyebrows and this kind of eyelashes. Simple. Keep it very simple. Tiny nose and O. Make sure when you are showing that she is singing, it should not touch your chin. There should be space. So we will simply show O because she is singing, Oh, wonderful love. So sing. If you will say O, so your mouth will be O. Okay? Yes. So you are simply going to show this and you can show around. And yes, this is the way we will be showing cute angel. And we are going to add lovely wings also. And don't forget to add, oh yeah, angel. Angels, they always have this kind of beautiful light over their head. Okay? So you will not forget to make this. Here, if you feel you want to add See, we are going to keep it simple. We will add no texture, no pattern, no design in dress because it is going to be our leaf art. Yes. And I have such lovely flowers, but you would not be having. That's why I will not use. Otherwise, I feel like to use them for making my this gown. It would look lovely with roses and all. I can actually put the whole bouquet in form of gown. So this kind of bouquets, don't throw them off. Simply dry them. If you will put the same arrangement on card and put a bow, it will become a card. 3D dry flower cards. Okay. So I never throw off my bouquets. Rather, I keep them preserved and use it wherever I can. So chalo, this is the way you will do. Now we need a piece of paper. And how much big? Like if you're using the same size of paper, so a piece of paper, and you're going to keep it. Okay. And now what you will do, you will simply go for 4, 4, 8, and then you're going to take 5. 4, 8, and 5. So you will be taking, I will remove it so that you can see it properly. 8, 4, 4, 8. Okay, 8 you will take, and 5, 4, and 1, 5. Okay, so this much big. 5 is going to be the length and 8 is going to be the diameter. We want a rectangle. You can cut a piece from wedding card also. If you have some beautiful wedding card, you can use that also, and you will cut a rectangle shape out of it. Okay? Yes, and this is going to be that book which this angel will be holding and singing Christmas songs. Okay? Or some gods, mythological songs dedicated to God. So I will cut this kind of. What is the length? See, 8 fingers and 4 and 1, 5. 4 and 1, 5 finger is the width. Take this measurement. This is a perfect measurement for making the book. Okay. According to size of your angel, it could be big or small. And you will fold it from here. We are going to decorate this also. We will write Merry Christmas. Suppose you want to give make this as a birthday card, so you can write Happy Birthday and a Happy Birthday and name, Happy Anniversary, Happy Children's Day, Happy this day, Happy that day. So this you can write that particular wish on this book, and you can finish. So keep this book carefully because we are going to decorate this book also, and we will work on this book also. Okay. So see, this is the way we will be doing. Yeah. अच्छा अच्छा. Okay. Yes, can I check the work? And this is going to be a book. Come on, make this book. And how much big? It is going to be 8 fingers broad and 5 finger is the length. So you will cut this kind of rectangle. You can use any different color also. If you have colorful papers, you can use, but we want to keep it absolutely simple because many times when you don't have colorful paper, you panic and mom have to rush. They have to rush last moment arranging for things. So we try to keep things very simple. So if you want to make it colorful, yes, you can put colors simple on white paper and it will become a colorful paper. So this book you keep on one side. Here I'm making one angel, but if you want to make many, like 2 angels, 3 angels, 4 angels singing together, you can make many. If you will visit my Artgeo shop on YouTube channel, we covered up one drawing. In that we used a hanky for making angel. So countless beautiful art. This time you will not purchase things from market for school decoration on Christmas. There is hardly any object, anything which is related to Christmas I have not covered up using waste material. This is time when you should use waste. है ना? Because when you're purchasing new things from market, directly or indirectly, you're creating more garbage. ठीक है? So try to reuse things and my videos are always there to support you. So chalo, let's complete wings. For making wings, what you will do, you will mark a point near ear. And this book, है ना, we will keep on one side. And here, mark a point. You can mark a point and mark how much big wings you want to make. And you can mark it here. I think it will be two row. So you will simply mark a line, equal distance, and okay, you will decide it before. And very simple, this kind of wings you will be making. Simple C shape. And here this book will come. So yeah, it will be perfect. Okay? So chalo now, let's get started. Now we will work little on this book also. So we want to show she's holding this book, right? So what we will do, we will simply, like suppose this is going to be the upper side. So you can write Merry Christmas. Okay, you can simply show some stars. Decorate it nicely, it will look great, isn't it? So you can show some stars here. And here, see, all of you see, just 1 minute, you see. Here you're going to show this kind of C. This is going to be hand. Okay, this is going to be hand. And see, this is 1.5 finger big. Same here. And you will be making lines. You will make lines out of it. Okay. And when you will put it here now, so it will look as if these are hands. Okay, they should look like hands. And yeah. Okay, so chalo, keep this book on one side and let's complete our outlines first. So this is our drawing done. Will I be able to check the work if you want to show clouds all over? You want to show clouds all over, you can simply show clouds all around. You can simply add some colors in background. You can do that ways also. It's completely your choice. I want to check the work first and then we will move ahead. Will you please lift up files and show me how it turned up? Yes, everyone. It's so amazing and outstanding. Wonderful. Wonderful work. Lovely. So now we will switch on to second step. And our second step is going to be outline. First you take yellow color. Come on. All of you take yellow color. You will take yellow and you will complete this ring first. Erase unwanted lines. And first this ring you will make yellow with thick line. Okay, you will be making it with thick line. You can make it little more thick. Okay. And if you want, you can make line inside and outside. And now you will take your sketch pen and you will move your sketch pen on each and every line. Very carefully. The lines we erased first. So very carefully you will be erasing lines and we'll do that. Okay. So see, this is the way you will be completing tiny nose. And see, this is the way you will be able to finish. Now here I'm making outlines, although we are going to hide it with leaves. So only basic lines we will make. And the lines of gown is not needed actually, because here our leaves will come. And we kept the shape of wings also very simple. These are big two C shapes and done. Okay? And the line, like here, like we made two lines. Huh? If you want to go for two lines inside and outside on yellow, you can do that for making this ring look like a ring. And this is going to be your second step. I think full view will help you now. So I will give you full view. So we completed this much Now, Rana, you can see that very simple drawing we did, but with help of 3D look, है ना, and few things which we wanted to, so it will come up very nicely. So the very first thing we did is we draw with pencil. Second thing, we did the cutting of this. We took out all our leaves and everything is ready. And we made this. Now we will complete this book also in outlines. So what we will do, we will simply give a red. You can go for red brush pen or pink also you could take. So take your pink color and give an outline around it. Acha, the hand which we are making, as the body is been made with black, so for this little part of hand which is visible, you will be making it with black color. And first you will be giving outlines with pink color. You will go with thick outlines of pink color. And here also. And here also. Okay, so this is the way you will finish your pink outline. You can make even stars. I made just 3 to 4 stars. And a white also you can keep because everything is going to be colorful now. The wings will be colorful and a dress will be green. So white color will look great. Okay. So if you keep it white, then also it will look amazing. You can use some dark color also for writing Merry Christmas. I think blue color we shall go with. Hai na? Blue color will look great. So with blue, I will write Merry Christmas. But here you can try any color for doing this. Okay, this ways I completed this book. And I think pink outline and just a Merry Christmas and 3 stars, they are more than enough for making it looking beautiful. If you feel like to add a few more things, some soft. And we will keep it very light in color because everything around is going to be dark. And I'm like dark green gown we are going to make. So a gown will become dark, quite dark. So on this white color will look great. Okay, even the wings, we will think that what color we could put in wings. So we are going to make wings also with some bright colors. So this is our preparation for book, and this is our main artwork. Okay, yeah. Come on, do this. Then we will switch on to our third step. Okay. And after that, if you feel like to do pasting of some cotton all around, you want to show this is Christmas night. It's a very snowy and cold night. And you can even show some snowflakes around. So you can do pasting of cotton balls all around, or you can put colors accordingly. Anything you feel you want to do, you can try that ways. Okay. So done, everyone? Yes. Come on, do this. Yes. It's going to be a very simple but beautiful 3D craft. Okay. And here I have like different kind of leaves. So we can even use multiple kind of leaves here. So I have beautiful leaves with lovely cut work. These are bitter gourd leaves. See the beauty, how beautiful it is. So this gown will look beautiful as if it is having a beautiful lace. So I will see and keep how it's looking. So, and if you have another, you will start doing, and we will start overlapping from here. But see, when you are going to do with some pasting part, always keep one thing in mind. First, you will complete your coloring. And many times in your activity book also, you would be having some coloring pages and pasting also. So students are that excited to do pasting that without coloring their artwork, they start pasting and then they try to color, which is wrong. Suppose in any of activity paper, activity sheet, you have to paste something. First, finish its colors completely, because after pasting, you won't be able to do. So here I will be using cotton balls, but it is completely optional. So that's why I didn't mention. You can simply, if you have stars, many times we have cut like small, small cuttings of stars or some stones, so you can even show them. So we didn't mention all this because we wanted to keep the material list very simple. So shall we start? Yes? Yes? Ready? Okay. Yes, I can see Shanvita is showing some stars. I think you have. Huh, Shanvita? Yeah, she's having something. She will be doing pasting of it, I think. Yeah. Great. Yes, you can do that. And can I check the work? Please show me once. Then we will move ahead. And after this, we will be having a parents' meeting. So, moms, please do stay tuned so that we can talk with each other. Your suggestions, your feedbacks, they are of great help to us. And if any wedding card or Christmas decoration material, angel, you can definitely share this artwork to the school. And chalo, so now third step. First step is making drawing with pencil. Second step is outline. Third is erasing. Take eraser and erase all unwanted lines. Clean it. Clean it nicely. And now your work is ready. Otherwise, the lines of pencil will keep reflecting and will spoil the work. So always clean your work and erase unwanted lines of pencil. And now your drawing is ready to color. Okay? So now we will color this whole artwork, and I think little closer view will help you a lot now. So first thing you will do, you will take out plastic crayons. See, we will not use pencil colors. They are dull and lifeless. We will not use wax crayon. They have lots of wax and output is very sticky and uneven. We will not use oil pastels also because they are very oily. They spread a lot and create a mess up. So for younger ones, we don't suggest. Okay. So the color medium you will be using is going to be plastic crayons and brush pens. Okay. So take out your blue color with little of yellow, blue, and you can take violet or dark blue color for last. Okay. Now what you will do, you will keep your color sleeping position. Sleeping position. Hold it tight, press it down, and drag. Slow drag. Don't go for big, and simply drag around the whole figure. When you keep your color horizontally, see when you keep color horizontally, a bigger surface you are using. So how to hold it tight, press it down and drag. Slow drag. Not big, slow. And this is the way you will finish. You will continue. And this is the way you will finish your yellow outline all around. Make sure you will not go in your main work, but you want to show a light. And when we talk about this kind of supernatural, beautiful energies, we show light all around. So here also we are going to show light all around. So you will do this and then you will switch on to blue color. You can simply go for blue color. Even pink will look great if you feel that you want to add little of pink. Don't go in yellow. Try to keep yellow non-disturb. Move your color in one direction, and you will start moving it soft. See, your main color should be dark, and your remaining coloring should be soft. I will wait for some time so that you all could do this much. Here also, you will do this ways. You will continue, and continue. Okay, you will keep the all over. And we are going to put one more layer. So we are going to keep our background very soft and silky. So when you move your color, keeping it horizontally, you find a beautiful and lovely background. And here, like we want to show in dark night, the presence of this angel has made created a light. है ना? So that's why we put a yellow and very soft and silky color. And my third color is going to be violet. I will wait after this. Don't worry. I will wait, take a pause of 3 to 4 minutes. So my third color is going to be violet color, just to show that like it is little darker in corner. So in corners, I want to show little darker. Okay. And see, this is a beautiful technique of doing colors, keeping it horizontally. With this technique, you will see you will be able to cover a big surface with very soft coloring. And because in background, you want soft colors. We don't want dark colors here. So without changing direction of coloring, without going in main artwork, we will complete the work. I will keep this book inside. And this purple color I add. When you want to show night or late evening time, purple, blue, this kind of colors add a beauty. And in this, I will be adding my snowfalls. So for snowfall, stars, and anything you can do pasting with. If you have tiny leaves, you want to show the leaves are shedding. So tiny, tiny leaves also could be added here. And okay, so why my first step is giving background. Your background should never be left white. So what I did, I spread yellow. I kept my color horizontally. Then I took blue, and afterwards I took a little of violet color. If you don't have violet color, you can take dark blue also. But you or otherwise you can take even red. If you feel that one more color I want to put, so you yes, your next color could be red. You can mix red also, but I don't think this much is needed. So let's keep it simple with this much color in background. Now, in the end, this kind of small balls could be pasted over it. Okay? And try to keep it nicely colored. As we are going to do pasting of white, if it would be nicely colored, it will look better. And on dark color, it would be looking better. Come on, do this. You can repeat your color 3 to 4 times and you can make it go with standing lines. Repeat your stroke 3 to 4 times and finish. Come on. Okay. And now for angel, you can decide colors by your own. If you feel that you want to make wings with orange color, you can. I will be using shiny green for making wings. Okay. And especially the colors which we use in background, we will avoid using them. And I like we use blue and violet color here to avoid using them. Rather use these colors. Okay. This is the way you will be doing. Yeah. If you want to make your violet also little darker, you can go for little darker also. Okay, come on, do this. So this is the way first we will apply colors in background. Feathers also we want to keep quite soft, है ना? Like dark color will not look that good. So we will spread our light green color in feathers so that we can show them transparent and beautiful. Or you can, if you feel that you want to do normal coloring, you can go that ways also. So come on, give the background. And this is A3 size paper. By all of you do, by the time I will clear all chat and will reply. And then I will return back to my story. So this ways, this girl Anju and Angelina, they became very good friends, and they were talking to each other. So this Anju started asking, Angelina started asking Anju, Anju, do you really know that how we can call fairy? Do you know the method of? No, I'm very sure you would be knowing the method of it. Tanju said, "No, I don't know how to call fairies, and whether they exist or not. You know, do really Santa Claus exist?" You know, this Angelina asked innocently, and Anju replied, "No, I don't know." But why are you asking? So she said, "I really wanted to have a frock like as you are having. Your parents got a frock for Christmas, that kind of frock." And I always wear frocks which are given by someone. This time I want to have my own brand new frock. And I really wish that any angel should appear or Santa Claus should appear and can bless me with this. I really want to have it this Christmas, this time. So Anju said, I don't know but how to do. But I heard that if you keep a socks and write your wish list and keep it inside, and now so your wish is approved. You're like Santa Claus come or angel come and they give you the frock. Okay. So give you the gift you are asking for. Come on, do this much. I'll take a pause of 2 minutes. After this, we will take our next color, and that is going to be green, shiny green. But before this, we will complete face. So for completing face, this inner part of mouth, you will do black with sketch pen only. And this line, your eyes, you will make little more highlighted, eyebrows even. And you are going to take out your two colors. These are pink. We will be taking pink color. We will be taking skin color. And yes, so pink we will put little in tongue and near eyes here. Near eyes here. Come on, put it nicely. I think this closer view will help you understanding it better. And what mistakes students do. Now let's understand and learn how to use your plastic crayons. And what mistakes students do, they start their coloring from center, then sleeping line, standing line, diagonal line. This is not correct. Always start your coloring from a corner and move your color in one direction. Always. Okay. So yes, how to do? I will show you. So hold your color the way you hold your pencil. जैसे पेंसिल को पकड़ते हैं ना वैसे अपने कलर को पकड़ लो और एक कोने से कलरिंग शुरू करो स्टार्ट इट फ्रॉम अ कॉर्नर मूव योर कलर विथ स्मॉल स्ट्रोक्स नो बिग स्ट्रोक्स ना स्टैंडिंग लाइन आई स्टार्टेड आई विल गो इन स्टैंडिंग लाइट line everywhere. Repeat every stroke 4 times. Another mistake, lots of pressure. Students put lots of pressure. Don't do this. Move your color without pressure. Make your cover and without changing direction, whether you have big space or you will simply move your color in one direction. You will cover ears, you will cover neck, you will cover one more thing, and that is in this book's hands. You will cover hands also with skin color because this is hand, these are hands of this fairy only. Okay, so in hands also you will do the coloring. Okay. And if you feel that on eyes you want to put little of pink, so you can make a C over and you can put little pink on eyes also, very slightly pink to show eyelashes. I will make a C, one more C, and this is the way. I will show it from close distance. See, this is the way on eyes also I put it little bit. And now I will teach how to make golden hair. Okay. So when you will use a correct technique, you know what, my dear children, when you go for small strokes, your colors are completely in your control and command. You will see they will not go out of outlines. Okay. And when you repeat every stroke 4 times with no pressure, you find very even output and a small strokes, one direction, and you will find this kind of neat and clean coloring. And I want to select shiny green color for shiny green or any other color also could be done. Gray could be done. Light green could be done. And so I will be using green, light green. Many of you would not be having shiny green. We can go for light green also. Light green color. And again, you will start your coloring from a corner. And here, like this part of this, we want to show the gown with blue color. We want to show it with blue color, suppose. So you will take blue and try to show blue here. This part you should try to show blue and even here with brush pen. Okay, let's make the gown with blue. Although very small part of it is going to be visible, but this upper part only because this lower part will go with green color. Acha, as we are going to use green for making this also, so let's avoid green color for wings. Let's switch on to some beautiful color which will look bright and colorful. So we will select pink color, baby pink color only for making wings. Okay, so you can simply take out your baby pink color. You can use brush pen for this because with brush pen, the bright output which we will be getting will add a lovely and amazing look to it. So this color I will take and pink I will avoid because green I will avoid because green we are going to use for making gown also. So lots of green will be there. So I will avoid it. I will give outlines with brush pen and with brush pen using this light pink color. I will be doing my wings. And if you feel that you want to use orange or this kind of some color, you can try that color also. But avoid green because green gown we are going to make, so lots of green will not look good. And you will start moving your color in one direction. This baby pink is a beautiful color and it will make it look amazing. Okay. You could have made it this ways or you could have started with center also. Make your lines this ways. And if it is little textured look, you will find which will actually enhance the beauty. Which will enhance the beauty. Okay. And here also, this is the way I will complete feathers, and you will see with this. I will return back to my story. So Anju, after listening that Anju, this like this for Anju, like this was a very small thing. Like whatever she wished, she used to have, she wanted to have, she simply was saying to mom. And next day, the things were was available. Same day, like things were available. So she was not knowing, like just one can even dream about a frock. Like for her, like she was not valuing this that one could have the dream of having a frog. According to Anju, it was a very small thing and a very simple thing. But for the first time, she realized that, like, if you have everything available, it could be a dream life for someone. She realized it for the first time, and she told that, Mama, do you know how angels could come? So Mama was surprised because for the first time she asked for this kind of thing. So she said, "Ki for what you're asking?" So it replied that now Anju wanted to know. So why, for what Anju, why Anju wanted to know about it? So she replied because she wanted to have the same kind of frock. And that's why she wanted if angels come or if Santa Claus come. So she was asking, she want to write a letter, she want to write something so that she could also have this kind of new frock as I have. She want to wear it and eagerly, like this is a wish of her. Every time she is wearing clothes which are given from by someone else. So Mama said, okay, yeah, angels exist. First, the very first question of Anju was, do really angels and Santa Claus exist? The clear reply of mom was, what? Yes or no? Tell me. Yes or no? The reply was yes. Yes, angels and Santa Claus exist. Okay. You will do one thing, you will take red color and you will give red outline to it all around. Okay. So red or brown also you can take because we are going to make this. So you can either keep it in this. gown part, because here we are going to make, to just give an outline, or you can simply remove it and then you can give it. So you simply make it this way, make a small line here also, and give it a look of book. Okay, you will give outlines outside also, inside also, and put brown color all around. It will look like an ancient book. है ना? तो finally this was Christmas day, and she said कि Anju said कि when we keep a socks, है ना, in that we keep a wish list. So I heard that angels and Santa Claus, they come to visit and they fulfill your dream. So she said कि, oh, I will definitely do this. So she was having the only pair of socks, but she kept her wish that I wanted to have frock as Anju is having. I want to wear the same kind of frock on my Christmas. This time I want to wear my own frock. And this was a very small and innocent wish of this baby. Yes, can I check the work? Please lift up files, because now your pasting work is going to get started. Okay, now Fevicol and your leaves, everything be ready with, and we will start with the pasting work. Okay, so for this, we will simply, we will first, all of you do this. I'll take a pause and I'll continue my story by the time. So what happened now? It was Christmas Day, and one day before, because she wanted to wear this dress on Christmas, so one day before, she kept looking at stars and sky and was trying to see if I could see one angel or fairy in sky, but she was not able to. And no remarks, no marks of, or no signs of availability of Santa Claus also. Then she thought, "Okay, I shall keep the my wish in socks one day before. Then only I will be able to wear it next day." And she kept it. She was having the only pair of socks. She kept her wish. She write her wish on a paper and kept it in her socks, and with prayers that angel, please once, you know, appear in front of me and fulfill my wish. Can you imagine like how innocent heart children have, and their wishes are so small. Their happiness lies in such small things. The same thing happened with Angelina. She wanted to have her own beautiful frock only. This was the only wish for Christmas. So what happened finally? Nothing happened. And the morning she wake up with excitement, thinking that one frock would be kept there in a box, but nothing was there available. Can I check the work? Please lift up files and show your work. Shabash. Very good. Very good. Do you want me to wait for a little more time? I think you all have done. And those who are left, like, okay, I will give time of 2 minutes only. And after 2 minutes, we will move ahead, because we need to wind it up, because time is already, we are already exceeded with time. Okay. So what happened? Nothing happened, and this made this girl Angelina very much disheartened. Like, I think I'm not a good girl. I'm not doing all those good things so that my wish should get granted and approved. I think angels and Santa Claus, they don't exist. Anju was lying, and she was very sad. And that time only mom came and said, "Hey, go, let's go today." Like Anju's mom called us. They are having a Christmas party, and we are supposed to go to help them out preparing snacks and decoration. So they told you also go so that you can help out for decoration and all. So she said, "I don't want to go. Again, you will make me wear that old cloth, old frock. I don't want to wear that old frock today." And she was having tears in big, big, innocent eyes. Mama felt very bad and said, Ki, I'm promising, my dear baby, I will get you a new frock next time. For sure. Please wear it today. And with very heavy heart, she wore the old frock, which was having so many patches to cover the tone of part. And she simply wore it off and went with sad face. And there, what happened? They went early because they were called early. And there, what happened when they entered this room? It was dark. And what happened? when suddenly a spotlight appeared, and there one angel was sitting on sofa. She was surprised. Angel, you're here. Anju's home. Definitely you would have come to gift something to Anju, not me. So she said, no, I came here just to meet you. I was knowing you're going to come. See, this is for you. And this angel gifted that box to Angelina. What is there inside? With excitement, she opened the box, and there was nothing else but the dream frog with countless flares and beautiful wings. She started dancing. She hugged and started giving kisses and kisses to this fairy. This fairy smiled and said, come on, go and wear it because all guests are coming. We will celebrate Christmas together. She went and nicely, and you know what? Who was that angel? Who was that angel? Any guesses? Yes, this was Anju. Anju's mom decided that now you be that angel and give this. If we have everything in life, है ना, then we need to spread and share it with all around us. And she gifted the same. So when she recognized that this is Anju, so she was surprised. And this is said, कि you are my angel. And my dear children, as I told you now, you also would be having this doubt. Can I check the work? Please show me. Done? Chalo, so now let's get started with the coloring also, pasting also. So now you will take out your earbud and we will start with pasting. So what you will do, first thing you will do, you will start from here. Come on. So you will take Fevicol and you will start applying Fevicol here because my first layer of leaves. Now take out your leaves. Your leaves will start from here. So spread your Fevicol till end of it nicely, and then different leaves if you have, and arrange it like a gown. So I have this beautiful bitter gourd, karele ki leaves. So I will put it here. I will put it here. I simply dry it, but you will do it with whatever kind of leaves you have. I want to show lace kind of something. So I will start arranging it this way. My first layer will go this way. If you have wet leaves, start doing it. But after the class gets over, you will put lots of newspapers and keep it beneath your mattress. है ना, अपने गद्दे के नीचे रख देना. So what will happen? The newspapers will absorb all the moisture, and the only thing which will be left is your yes. So see, this is the way it should be done. Okay. And we will start with another layer. Like I have lovely layer of leaves, green leaves. So these are fresh leaves, so you can start applying them. I have a beautiful layer of yellow, like I collected some this kind of yellow leaves also. So one layer you can apply of yellow also. If you have flower, suppose you have one layer of flower or marigold and a puja ke fool, you can definitely do pasting of that. है ना? You can simply, and you can overlap, like now overlap your things. So my second layer, I want to use my yellow leaves. So green and yellow combination will definitely add beauty, and overlap your leaves. Okay, you can see my second layer is overlapping, you know. And see, these useless leaves will give you such amazing pattern and 3D look. And it will give a 3D look. This time, like this is autumn season, trees are shedding its leaves. You know? Yeah. So this is best. And try to overlap so that white color should not be visible. Try to overlap it nicely. And wow, I'm so happy that I collected all these leaves. And so beautifully I'm able to utilize them today. Okay? Yeah. Fresh leaves are also like you can use. So if you have fresh leaves, use them. Okay? Yeah. You can simply arrange this leaf here. Okay, so one leaf I will put here, then another layer I will put nicely with Fevicol. And if you feel that now you have some flowers or something else, you can. I have lovely flowers, so you can put that. And I will put again the layer of this cutwork leaves. I have many. When I was uprooting the climber of it, I simply collected all the leaves, keeping in mind that one day I will teach something beautiful to my students using this because its shape always attract me a lot. And it's beautiful shape of bitter gourd, Karela. You know, I was having a climber of it. I simply collected leaves nicely and this is the way it will be done. If you feel that here you have some flowers, you can definitely add flowers here. So I have dry flowers. I will do this, but you can simply keep reducing the like layer of it. So, and always if you have now bouquets, so that's the way I kept it for drying. You also can do this. See, this kind of bouquets. So I will use these flowers for normally what we do is simply throw them off, but these are such amazing thing for making this kind of gown. Yeah, I will simply cut them and use it. But you can use leaves. If you don't have this, use leaves. Okay. And as I told you, if you want to use your gende ke flowers, gulab ke phool, this kind of flowers, normally every day when you do puja, so they are getting discarded. You can simply dry them and use them. So now, after looking at today's artwork, when you will go in your garden, you will start observing beauty in this kind of grass and this kind of things also. So when you do work with all this, then you understand its importance and its beauty. So that's why we are covering up this kind of artwork, in which will help you understanding and recognizing that the whole world is beautiful with amazing, beautiful things around. So see, I will love to add this, but you can definitely add a leaf. And if your leaves are quite big, so with few leaves only, your work will be done. I will simply add this all nicely. And this is going to be the next layer of the artwork. Okay. Yeah, nicely. And the complete upper portion will be covered with book. So don't worry about that. Nicely overlap. Like nicely see that it should overlap beautifully. No white space should be left. So accordingly, you will do pasting of it. I will also try to do the same. Okay, this kind of wild flowers you will definitely find when you go now. You will be able to see this kind of beautiful wild flowers growing on roadside, but we hardly are able to see beauty in them. But now I'm very sure after looking at this artwork, you will start looking at beauty and you will start collecting it. You know what? In online market, this kind of dry wild flowers are very expensive because in resin art, like a lot of this kind of flowers had been used these days. So, like they are quite expensive in market. But if you will start observing tiny wildflowers which grow naturally in your garden, so you will understand that you don't need to purchase anything from market. Clean it. You can take your paintbrush for this and remove extra nicely. To get very nicely, you can simply, okay. And those who are using wet flower leaves, they will put after completing the work when your favicol is dry, you will put little of and I have roses also. If you feel that little roses could also be applied somewhere, you know, so one layer of rose could also be applied. See how beautiful dry roses are looking. You know, I want to do it pasting. I can't help myself. I will paste it and see. All like this was given by my granddaughter. So this bouquet, I will. I'm using at such amazing place. The memories are okay. To see this is the way you will keep it here. Press it as these are dry flowers. So this gown is looking super cute. And do you know bougainvillea? How many of you know bougainvillea? If you don't know, you can ask your mom. Bougainvillea flowers are again beautiful flowers which grow roadside and they don't lose their colors. You can collect those flowers when they shed their flowers. They are with beautiful fluorescent pink color, orange, red, different colors. You can collect those flowers and can use for making 3D cards. Okay, so see, I simply used all this, but you can use leaves. I know you all are having just leaves, so you can go for leaves. But yes, if you have some puja ke fool, so marigold flowers and this flowers you can use. They are going to have a great impact because after this you put lots of newspaper, thick layer of newspaper, और इसको अपनी मैट्रेस के नीचे रख देना. अभी मैं आप लोगों को नहीं बोलूंगी कि उठा के दिखाओ, है ना? Otherwise the things will fall down. But you can turn on your camera. Yes, Bhavishya. बहुत it's a lovely gown with multiple colors. Yeah. See, upper layer is left ना, थोड़ा सा white रह गया, उसको भी कर लो. Put some color there also. Something there. Very good. I'm happy. Like, little portion is white. See, upper portion. Fill some, put some thing there also. ब्लू के नीचे ना थोड़ा सा व्हाइट रह गया है ना, देखो गाउन में थोड़ा सा व्हाइट कलर रह गया, उसको भी कुछ वहां पे चिपका लो. ओके, यू कैन डू पेस्टिंग ऑफ समथिंग देयर ऑल्सो. Shabash, I'm very happy. So beautifully you completed. So now, last but not the least, chalo, let's quickly make this angel reading this book. Crease. Make a proper crease of it and arrange it nicely. For that, what you will do, where we have this, this corner, like this corner and this corner, you will put Fevicol. And very carefully, you will not keep it flat. You will keep it 3D look and you will arrange it this ways. Yes, and your book is ready. Just do its pasting nicely. And your 3D angel is ready. Are coloring in hair is left. Chalo, let's do it brown. Coloring in hair is left. So let's color it brown with brush pen. Okay. So you can turn your paper. I was telling you that we are supposed to do coloring first, but here this was left. So chalo, with brush pen, we will quickly color hair brown because we want to show brown here. So with brush pen, easily you will be able to do it. Come on, let's do it. And you will find a lovely texture as well. And when you use this, so you find a lovely texture. So and move in one direction. Stripe texture will help you getting better look. Very carefully, without disturbing the work, you will complete this nicely. Okay, brown color. And this is your beautiful. If you feel like to show, like you want to show some outlines around, then you can definitely go with it. But I simply showed the gown with help of leaves, and thick layer of leaves will give 3D fluffy look. And if you will use flowers, suppose rose flowers, marigold flowers, so your gown will look super cute, velvety look, and lovely. But we decided to pick up things which are easily available. Many of you would not be having flowers available. So we simply kept that leaves. That if you don't have leaves, then you can cut your tissue paper or any paper, and you can make it. And I can see beautiful, lovely Christmas special craft. Last but not the least, snow. This is optional. Okay. If you want, you can. And that's why in material list, cotton is not mentioned. For coloring, like it was mentioned, that for coloring. But if you have, you can do its pasting as snow falls all around. And tiny, tiny. If you have some stars, like many times you have golden or silver star stickers, you can use them also for making it looking beautiful. Okay. So I will simply make some dots and I will make balls of snow, and your snowfall will make it looking more 3D. So here you can see what things we use, very simple, simply available things. Cotton, make a ball of it, do its pasting. Cotton is very lightweight and easily it can easily will get the grip over. Okay, yeah, it will easily get the grip over. Okay, and if you have cotton thermocol balls, you can even do pasting of thermocol ball. And if you want to make your cotton ball bigger, like so that it can be easily highlighted, so you can keep it bigger as well. Okay, simply make it fluffy and yeah, big and small. And this is your final artwork. Okay, some big and some small snowballs I will make. And if I will keep it little 3D, it will add more 3D look to work. You know, this is your final artwork. Here you will do with brown color. Okay, so first you will color. So we were so excited for, yeah. So this is the way you will complete everything. And now you can say my artwork is complete. Okay, this is optional as I told you. You can add stars, you can add stones. If you want to draw stars, you can even draw stars and you can finish it. So it's completely your choice what ways you want to make it looking beautiful. So white cotton, I think, would be easily available. So you can go with it. Simply make a ball out of it and do its pasting all over. And with a very little of Fevicol, like it will take grip because it's quite lightweight. It will not take much efforts for doing pasting of it. And this is our final artwork. Now I will request all the moms to be with us. So then after this, we have a very special session. I will request all the moms to be with us because we have a very special guest to solve all your problems, very renowned in her own field. And this session we specially conducted for moms. So moms, please stay tuned and try to find out little time to for yourself. This the guest which we invited is you will feel that you wanted to have this kind of someone who could like solve so many of the queries of yours and the things which disturbs you. So please stay tuned, and first we will be talking about the artwork and a little feedback of yours. Yes, all of you finish, and we will spotlight parents, you, and then one after another you can unmute yourself and you can talk about. And I will not ask you to show your work because by the time your leaves are not completely dried, so your complete arrangement can fall down. So be there, keep it like this only. If you can lift up your files, and so if you can turn camera, then you can show. And if you feel you can turn your camera, shabash, very good. And green gown is really looking great. And when it will turn, no, when it will be dry, it will change its color. I can see even marigold petals, many of you use so beautifully. If you would be making the complete gown with marigold now, it will look velvety. You can put a complete flower, layers of flowers. And normally, after puja, we simply discard those. So, chalo now, one after another. Parents, please stay with us, and I will request you all to unmute yourself so that we can talk. Yes, hello, thank you so much, moms, for being with us. Yes, so I will request you to unmute yourself so that we can talk with each other. Hello, ma'am. Please try to unmute yourself. Yeah, hello, ma'am. You're not audible. Will you please try to unmute yourself? Adarsh, Mehar Kaur, Adarsh. Those are spotlight. Hello, yes, Mehar, I can hear you now. Hello, ma'am. How are you? Hello, Mehar.
Hello.
Enjoyed the class, my dear? Oh, it's so beautiful. So lovely. Arriva, you also have green leaves like yellow leaves like me. Very good. It's beautiful. Lovely. Ma'am, please do share your feedback.
Yes, ma'am. It was a very nice class. She enjoyed a lot, and
Okay.
you explained it very well. She did lots of things herself by herself only, so
Wow.
she enjoyed. Yeah.
And Meher, it was a big span of time for you. So you were like in mid of time. Were you feeling bored? I should run away or this kind of thing? No? Or was feeling like to learn? Okay. That's really amazing. You did excellent work. Do share. Okay. Very good. I will. I
Thank you,
will.
ma'am.
Lovely work you're doing. Very good, my dear. I will request other moms also. Adarsh
Hello.
Prasad, I can see. Ma'am, try to unmute yourself.
Hi, ma'am.
Hello, ma'am. How are
Hi,
you?
ma'am. Yeah, fine, doing good, ma'am. What about you, ma'am?
I'm good. I'm good. Thank you so much, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Please do share your feedback.
Yeah, sure, ma'am. I'll share. See, ma'am, this is
Wow.
Adarsh.
Arriba. Very good. Like so cutely, like try to manage. Praiseworthy efforts, I will say.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you.
Adarsh, lovely. You placed leaves also so well. And you can try it one more time. But yes, now you must have got the importance of leaves. Like how many, in such amazing ways we can use, right? Amazing work. Please do share your feedback, okay?
Yeah, sure, ma'am. Thank you.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I will request Divit, Ira, and even Mithri. Yes, so please try to unmute yourself. And
Hello,
Ira, you
ma'am.
were saying now that I don't call out you today. I will talk with you. Yes, hello.
Hello,
Please try.
ma'am.
Hello, how are you, ma'am?
Ma'am, I'm good. Thank you. How are you?
I'm good. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Ma'am, your classes are really amazing, both drawing and craft classes. Divit is attending the drawing class from past few meets, and it's too good, I would say. More than the drawing that you teach them good sanskar, good habits, and you tell them the stories. Hats off to your patience, your smile, and you have an outstanding experience to teach the kids at this age also with same level of patience in all the classes. Lots of gratitude and thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you so much, ma'am, for your such inspiring and lovely feedback. Ma'am, please do share it on WhatsApp also. And
Sure, ma'am.
I'm more
Definitely will.
than happy. Like it was a long class according to children, like it was a big time span, but so patiently they were sitting, they were trying to manage with different stuff. So I'm very happy they're joyfully attending. Thank you so much, ma'am, and lots of blessings.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you,
Thank
ma'am.
you. Thank you so much. Divit, you did great work. Do share your work, okay? Wow, so
Wow,
beautiful.
beautiful.
Lovely.
Lovely.
Yes, lovely. Yellow and green
Yellow and
is having a
green is
great
a very
combination.
good
Yeah.
combination. Yeah.
Yes. I will
Yes.
request Ira.
Ira,
Hi, ma'am. How are you?
Hello, how are you?
how are you?
Sunday, ma'am. Sunday we were supposed to not do anything, but then I was the one because I was like, who will do everything? And I kept on, it's okay, you can skip, it's okay. And she was like, no, I have to do. I have to attend the class. And then I was like, okay, okay, get some flowers, get something, get something. But okay, at end of the day, ma'am, it's very nice. She's really enjoying your classes, the process. I, as a parent, I'm really satisfied to see her progress, small things. And the best part of this journey has been that how she has turned herself into a person, into a small girl who is sitting so nicely for an hour, like amazing. That is
Yes.
1 hour, own hour.
Yeah, see, ma'am, for this I'll have
Ma'am,
to
for this,
say
I'll
she's
have to
born
say she's
artist
God
actually.
artist,
So
actually.
this is nothing
So
of
this is
like
nothing of
mine, I
like
should say.
mine, I should say.
This is her own
Her own
patience and inbuilt creativity because of which she's doing so well. And Ira, now you're enjoying. Yesterday I told you, you are a born artist.
Not that I don't know, but whenever, like, whatever she'll do in her life, obviously art will always be there with her, and you are going to be her first art teacher. That is for sure.
Thank you so much, ma'am. Thank you so much for this love and this. Thank you so much, ma'am.
She still has to stick the book, but she'll just show you what she.
Wow, very good. Very
Very
good
good
combination.
combination.
Beautiful. This is looking like you only, Ira.
Ira,
Hairstyle is just like you only. Yeah, lovely, ma'am. Thank you so much for your love.
for your
Ira, you're doing great. Okay, and you can try many more artworks
many
using
more
leaves.
artworks
Okay,
using
because now you know how to
leaves. Now you
use
know
them,
how
na?
to
So you
use
can
them,
make
no?
many more
You can make
artworks using
more
leaves.
artworks.
Okay?
Something.
The hairstyle and the way that you made the girl, it was very cute.
Okay.
And the background was very beautiful. I love it.
Okay. Keep trying that ways. Okay? Take care. Okay, thank you so much. And please do share your feedback on WhatsApp as well. Yes, can you hear me now? Am I audible? Yeah, please try to unmute yourself, ma'am. Anvita, uh, yes, ma'am, try to unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am. Hi,
Yes,
ma'am. How
hello.
are you?
I'm good. How are you, ma'am?
Yeah, we are also good. It was a very nice craft session today, ma'am. Thank you. Thank you for your patience. And she does everything interestingly. She shows interest and she does
Yes, I
everything.
can see a joyful smile on her face.
Yeah, my only hope is that she learns to talk fluently in English by listening to
She
your
will for
speech.
sure. Very good.
So
So,
simple.
like yellow and maroon. Arey wow, such lovely combination for ground. It's really looking great, my dear Anvita. Amazing.
Thank you, ma'am.
And you very nicely completed. Good. Yes, they will at least realize that now leaves could be used for such creative things as well. I
Yeah, yeah,
really want them
definitely.
to see beauty and creativity
Mm.
all around the world. That's why I'm coming up with leaves sometime with some different kind of things. I'm going to teach them soil art also, in which they will be
Okay.
using their garden soil for making painting because this whole world is nothing but colors. I really want them
Yeah,
to
yeah.
realize and see beauty and creativity of the God everywhere. Lovely work. Very good. Ma'am,
Yeah.
she was able to attend the whole class joyfully, or you have to pressurize that sit
No,
and
no, she
do?
attends. She was the one who told me to get leaves. I have got around 50 leaves, but she's telling it was not getting pasted, so she used flowers instead.
Acha, okay. Okay. So you can just dry them and you can use them for other crafts. We are going to have many crafts of leaf art. Okay.
Okay, 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 ma'am.
Okay. Thank
Sure.
you so much, ma'am. Thank
Thank you,
you. I will
ma'am.
request other moms also,
Yeah.
Swastika, Ihita. Try to unmute yourself. And I can see so beautifully like roses and everything has been pasted. Yeah, please try to unmute yourself, ma'am. You have that access.
Mom,
Swastika, Ihita, Kavya.
अरे तुझ्या कानाखाली वाजव का मूर्खासारखं वागतोस करते लाव पटकन लाव पटकन
Yeah. Hello.
Hello,
Uh,
ma'am.
hello, ma'am. How are you?
I am fine, ma'am.
Ma'am, please do share your feedback about today's class.
Ma'am, it was interesting. My daughter, as before, she didn't um, give any interest. After you, she will be give more interested.
Wow. She has just started taking more interest in art and craft.
No,
I'm
no,
very
yes.
happy, like, because this is actually the time when we need to put and inculcate that, like, they are creative. And you know what? I remember the lines of a very famous artist that it's very difficult to think and draw like a child. Like, they have that creativity already in them. The only thing needed is to nurture with patience, with
Yes, yes.
motivation, with proper guidance, and we are
Mm.
simply trying to do so. So I'm very
Thank
happy students are attending class joyfully, happily, patiently, without any pressure. Like,
without any
है
pressure,
ना?
ma'am.
हाँ, तो this is something which is, I think, something which we are looking for. So very good, and thank you so much, ma'am. Please do share your feedback on WhatsApp.
Okay, ma'am.
Wow, lovely work. And roses I have add on to the beauty. Lovely. Very
Thank
good,
you.
my dear Swastika. Do share it on WhatsApp,
Thank
okay?
you.
thank you, ma'am.
Okay, thank you so much. You did excellent work, my dear. May God bless you. Yes, I will request Ihita and Kavya. Please
Hello,
try to unmute yourself.
ma'am. How are you?
Hello, ma'am. How are you?
I'm good. How are you, ma'am?
I'm good. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Ma'am, this is my second parents meeting today.
Achha, okay.
So, like I always told you na that she always enjoy her class, and she got second prize in that Earth Day competition. I think
Wow,
Environment
very good,
Day.
Ihita. Very good. Congratulations and
I
blessings.
didn't get the proper drawings from the school. That's why I didn't share with you the pollution and all the things in that earth. The earth is crying. That the way you teach her story, she listens to everything, and, and she always enjoy your class.
Okay, that's really amazing that they are attending
Huh.
class joyfully. Because see,
Yes,
they are
ma'am.
already overburdened with academics. So if here also they will feel
Yes,
burden, so like this is not a successful mission then. It should be like a joyful
yeah, ma'am.
activity which is giving them calmness of mind and kind of meditation to their brains. So I'm happy that they
Yes,
are
ma'am.
attending classes joyfully, like moms not have to pressurize. So this is very good. And Ehita, congratulations, blessings, and wow, so beautiful. As cute as you are. Very good, very good, lovely. Ma'am, please do share the artwork and your feedback as well. Thank you so much.
Sure, ma'am. Sure, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thank you
Thank
so
you.
much, and lots of blessings. Yes, I will request Kavya, Sri Kavya,
Ma'am,
Avisha.
how
Hello,
are
ma'am.
you?
How are you?
Ma'am, you can see all the other artwork. It was
Yes, I was
beautiful
looking at
class.
that creative wall backside.
Yeah.
When
Last year she joined under junior group. Now she's under senior group.
okay,
Thanks.
are you comfortable, Kavya, in junior senior batch? You must be missing our stories, है ना? But don't worry, every day we are publishing a story for you. Okay? At 8 on our YouTube channel, every day I'm publishing a new story. One day in English, one day in Hindi. Okay? So these stories are specially for children because these days bedtime stories are missing as we are having nuclear families. And this good mental diet is needed in today's time to shape brains. So if you are missing in senior batch stories, you can listen to those stories. Okay? And how was today's session? You enjoyed?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, she does drawing everything by herself. I never interfere anything in her. She did by
Ma'am,
herself.
what shift of change you are able to see? Wow. It's
Ma'am, have
just
you
wow.
observed she has done put a clip also?
Yeah, and it's looking great. I will also put now.
Ma'am, how to preserve these
So
leaves,
beautiful.
ma'am?
Gown is looking